Red line? Blue line? Where am I going? Single? Return? Zone 1? It's a nightmare.
You missed the bus. Now you are late.
Rush hour. No space. No air.
Stop the stress. Learn the system. Travel like a local. Save money. Save time.
From catching the bus to transferring lines.
Welcome to episode 13. All aboard.
Hello, travelers. Welcome back to the English Global Podcast. I am Anna.
And I am Michael. Please stand behind the yellow line because episode 13 is arriving now.
Michael, I have a love-hate relationship with public transport. I love that it is cheap and eco-friendly, but I hate how confusing it can be in a new city.
I agree completely. I once got on the wrong train in Japan and ended up in the countryside 2 hours away from my hotel.
Oh no, that is my nightmare. Maps look like spaghetti, ticket machines are complicated, and announcements are impossible to understand.
Exactly. But mastering public transport is a superpower. It gives you freedom. You don't need expensive taxis. You can go anywhere.
So today, we are going to give you the keys to the city. We will learn how to buy the right ticket, single versus return.
We will master the vocabulary for the subway, or underground, or tube. What is a platform? What is a transfer?
And we will learn how to listen to those fast announcements so you don't miss your stop.
Plus, we have a grammar focus on prepositions of movement. Get on, get off, go through.
So hold on to the handrail. Let's go. Please like this video to buy your ticket and subscribe to catch the express train. Part 1. Bus or train? Ping pong conversation.
So, Anna, in your daily life, do you prefer the bus or the train?
I am definitely a train person. It is faster, it doesn't get stuck in traffic. What about you?
I actually like the bus. I like looking out the window and seeing the city. The subway is too dark.
That is true, but buses can be unpredictable. Sometimes they're late, sometimes they're early.
Yes, you have to check the schedule or timetable. Do you use an app?
Always. I use Google Maps or City Mapper. I never trust the paper schedule at the bus stop.
Smart. Now, let's talk about catching the bus. You have to signal the driver, right?
Yes. In some countries, if you don't wave your hand, the bus just drives past you.
That happened to me once. I stood there and whoosh, it was gone. I felt so silly.
And when you get on, you have to pay. Do you use cash?
Rarely. Most cities now have contactless cards or apps. You just tap on.
And don't forget to tap off when you get off. Otherwise, they charge you maximum fare.
Good tip. So, bus is for sightseeing, train is for speed.
Part 2. Buying tickets. The ticket machine.
Okay, let's face the enemy, the ticket machine. It asks so many questions.
Yes, first question, single or return?
Single, or one way, means you go there and that's it. Return, or round trip, means you go there and come back.
And then, peak or off-peak. This confuses everyone.
Peak means busy times, usually 7 to 9 a.m. and 5 to 7 p.m. It is more expensive.
So, if you travel at 11 a.m., buy an off-peak ticket. It is cheaper.
Exactly. And sometimes you can buy a day pass. That allows unlimited travel for 24 hours.
I love day passes. You don't have to worry about buying tickets every time.
And be careful with zones. In London or Paris, the city is divided into zones.
Zone 1 is the center. Zone 6 is far away. You pay more if you cross more zones.
It's like a video game. You have to unlock the zones with money.
Part 3. Vocabulary and Grammar Deep Dive.
Let's stop at the station and learn some words. Here is our vocabulary deep dive.
First word, commute. Definition, the journey from home to work and back. Example, my daily commute takes 45 minutes.
Next is platform. Definition, the area in a station where you wait for the train. Example, the train to Paris departs from platform 9.
Next is a very important action, transfer. Definition, to change from one bus or train to another to complete your journey. Example, you need to transfer at Central Station to the Blue Line.
Next is fare. Definition, the money you pay for a journey on public transport. Example, bus fares have increased this year.
And finally, rush hour. Definition, the busy times of day when everyone is traveling to or from work. Example, avoid the subway during rush hour, it is packed.
Grammar focus. Prepositions of movement. Get on, get off.
Now for the grammar. We use special prepositions for transport. It is not just in or out.
Right. For public transport, bus, train, plane, ship, we use get on and get off. Example, I got on the bus. We need to get off at the next stop.
So get in the taxi, but get on the bus.
Exactly. And when you move from one place to another, we say go from A to B. Example, this train goes from London to Manchester.
And if you go through a tunnel?
Yes, go through. And if you go past a station without stopping, go past.
So the train goes through the tunnel and goes past the old station.
Perfect. Just remember on, off for big vehicles, in, out for small ones.
Part 4. Interactive Roleplay. Asking for help.
Now let's practice. Imagine you are at a confusing station. You need to ask for help.
I will play the station staff. You are the tourist. First, listen to Michael.
Excuse me, does this train stop at the airport?
No, this is the express train. You need the next one on platform 4.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Now it is your turn. I am the staff. Ask me if this bus goes to the city center. Ready?
Excuse me,
Did you say it? Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
let's try one more. Ask me where to buy a ticket. Ready? Excuse me,
Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket?
excellent. Don't be afraid to ask. Staff are there to help you.
Part 5. Mind the gap and etiquette.
Michael, before we finish, let's talk about etiquette, or manners. There are unwritten rules on public transport. Oh yes, rule number 1, give up your seat.
If you see an elderly person, a pregnant woman, or someone with a disability, you must stand up.
It is just polite. Rule number 2, keep it quiet.
Yes, don't shout on your phone. Don't play music without headphones. Everyone hates that person.
Laughs. Agreed. And rule number 3, let people off first.
This is crucial. Stand to the side of the doors. Let people exit before you try to enter. Don't push.
And finally, listen to the announcements. You might hear, mind the gap.
That means be careful of the space between the train and the platform. Don't fall in.
Or, the next stop is, listen for your destination.
Conclusion. We have reached our destination.
We learned the difference between single and return tickets and peak versus off-peak.
We mastered phrasal verbs like get on and get off.
And we learned the golden rules of etiquette. Give up your seat and be quiet.
Now, here's your 15-minute action plan.
Next time you are on a bus or train, even in your own country, narrate your journey in English in your head.
Say to yourself, I am getting on the bus. I am paying the fare. I will get off at the third stop.
It's a great way to practice without speaking out loud.
And before you go, we have a question for you.
Do you prefer the window seat or the aisle seat on a bus or train? Wait, we asked that for planes. Let's change it.
Okay, what is your favorite city for public transport? Is it London, Tokyo, New York, Singapore? Why?
Tell us in the comments. Example, I love Tokyo because the trains are always on time.
Thank you for riding with us today. Mind the gap.
See you in the next episode of the English Global Podcast. Bye!